Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials and entering recovery mode now. Confirm power and connect the device to a trusted host. Once done, use the documented key combo or host utility to trigger recovery. Make sure to pause automated cloud sync and disable security locks temporarily because those can block low-level access. You need the correct firmware or restore image on the PC. Copy it to an easy path. Once in recovery, confirm the device is detected before proceeding to the next phase. You now execute the core restore or reflash. Start by verifying the image checksum so corrupt files don't brick the device. Once verified, select Erase then Write in the Host tool because a clean flash prevents residue conflicts. Make sure to watch progress and read logs. They reveal write failures or bad sectors. If the device disconnects, pause and reconnect, then resume only after integrity checks pass. After writing, run the tool's verify step to ensure the flash succeeded. You finish by rebooting into normal mode and verifying functionality. Once the device restarts, confirm it boots fully, check key settings, and test network or peripheral connections so you know recovery was effective. Make sure to re-enable security features and restore user data from backups only after confirming stability. If the device fails to boot or shows errors, gather diagnostic logs and retry the restore with a different image or host cable. Tip: if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.